as me, you will look around, and I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the light in your eyes and the wonder of it all. As you just realize how much I love you. Messi Bukol, Messi Buhol, Miss Buhol at saka Messi Bukol. Sige lang shout out sa inyo, maraming salamat. Santo Guhona, arahitin to give her kiss as she helps me to bed. And did I tell her the world turned out to lie? And I said, darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul, and I just can't lose.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day
I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to see. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way.
Kaya na ito, tingnan mo.
Humarap
Pina-birthday
ka.
din nila sa akin. Sana all.
Humarap ka.
Mapasana all na lang talaga ako. All of me. All of me. Dami ulit.
Teka, lilitaw na ako sa camera.
Nilumitaw ka na?
Ah, di
Ano
ba?
nangyari sa'yo? Ba't lumitaw ka na sa camera?
Nalilitaw na sa camera. Akin mo tao.
Hindi narinig niya idol yan.
Di ba?
Nalilitaw ka na sa camera.
Ha? Bakit? Huwag ka dyan.
Hindi ka naririnig.
Hindi nga ako na narinig. Nakamute ako kayo. Hindi ako narinig.
Naririnig ko sa idol kasi nasa video call siya eh.
Wala ba?
Wala ka nadinig sa kanya. Niloloko mo naman ako eh.
Niloloko daw, niloloko.
Sama.
Magpapain na daw siya eh. Meron akong naglalaro ako. Joke.
Ayan. Ay, yung mapaglaro ka eh.
Mapaglaro daw ako eh. Wala na, lumabas na, lumayas na sila. Dinasran lang sa lola. Nasaan na? Oh, meron na sa amin. Ito na yung birthday cake niya. Kiss you. Oh?
Ayan.
Ito na yung birthday cake niya. Kiss you. Asan na ba? Ay, kamay na lang pala nakita. Ay, birthday cake siya. Oh. Oy.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ano, ututan mo na. Dali.
Tututan mo na. Tututan mo na raw. Asan yung happy birthday?
Maraming salamat.
Asan yung happy birthday ni
Sa
Kanta?
masyado ka lagaan talaga sa birthday ko. Lalo mo pumapawaw eh. Lalo mo pa-in-love.
Wow lang na, hindi daw in love, wow lang.
Sobra idol. Grabe. Alam mo, totoo lang idol kung wala lang yan. Nako. Matagal na akong bumitaw. Sana all. Bumitaw ka lang. Huwag kang kumapit. Joke lang.
Joke lang daw
Bumitaw
pala
ka
eh.
lang sa akin. Huwag kang kumapit sa iba. So,
Joke lang pala.
salamat talaga ako yung una.
Dukot kiss you. Dinukot ko sa tindahan sa baba.
Ano tawag nito idol? Kung wala yan, wala na talaga. Ang dami ko mga struggle sa buhay nung nandito ko sa YouTube. Ilang buwan ako nawala. Ay, sorry, idol. Sino?
Alin? Ayun na. Ako na
Saan na si ano, DJ Love?
Ako na
Ano yan?
magbubulo.
Dukot? Anong dukot?
Dukot.
Dukot ka dyan. Ano yan? Ano ba yan?
I know. Ano yan? Basta happy birthday. Ha? O, di ba may happy birthday pa, di ba? O,
Ano?
happy birthday pa, di ba? O.
Parikoy! Miguel Alzat at Parikoy! Parikoy! Miguel Alzat at
Yan ba? Sana all ba yan?
dito.
Umayos ka dyan. Pagko-content ko yan.
Sobrang iko ba yung idol yung ano ko? Boses ko? Parang ang lakas ng iko.
Dukot kiss you. Dinukot yan sa baba.
Wala akong ano.
Dinukot ko sa tindahan. Yan na.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday pala. Akala ko yung ano. Happy ko na.
And that a woman like you could run for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to see.
Sana marami pa rin dumating sa buhay ko.
Oh, yun na. Sana all. Sa daw na. Sige na. Your wish will granted. Marami pa daw darating sa buhay.
Hindi pala magtaga ka sa ugali ko. Wala naman ko ugali.
Ano ba yung ugali mo? Ano ba yung ugali mo?
Ano ba ang ugali? Attitude.
Ang ugali mo is attitude. Sometimes may attitude, sometimes good. May attitude.
Happy na yan. Ano naglabas? Parang mo happy birthday, chicken Jim ang lumabas.
Malulusaw na yung cake. Masasulusaw na yung kandila ko.
Ayan na. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Asan na happy birthday to you. Asan na happy birthday? Natugtog.
Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul, and I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel. Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul, and I just can't lose. Guess I'm on